Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to export contact records from HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to export contact records from your HubSpot CRM system, there are two ways in which we can achieve this. I'll firstly demonstrate the first way. So head over to your contacts up the top left hand corner here, use the drop down menu and then go to contacts. Now, as you can see here, we have all of our contacts inside of our HubSpot CRM system. If we wanted to export these or any other view that we've already created, just go to the All Views option up the top right here, press All Views, and then hover over the view that you'd like to export. So in this instance, we want to export all contacts. Use the Options button and then just press Export. Now you get a pop-up menu and you can choose where you'd like it to be sent to. So essentially the file or the export file will be sent to an email address. You are also able to download it, but it will be sent to, you'll be able to do both. You can also select the file format, so CSV, Excel, etc. CSV is always best. And then we get to choose if we'd like to include the properties in the view, which is obviously the columns in the view, or all properties on the particular record. Now, of course, I'd recommend all properties on the record if you want to pull out all the information for all the contact records. However, if you're just using a specific view, just use only properties in the view. And then contacts with multiple email address, you can select whether you'd like to include those, yes or no. And then once you've selected that, just need to select the column headers to appear in English, or as you can see in the drop down menu, you have a number of different languages. Once you're happy with all those, just press the export button. It will export and it will be sent to your email address, and you can also click here to download it and it will download to your computer. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of exporting contact records is go to contacts again up the top left hand corner and then go to lists down the very bottom. Now if you're not familiar with lists, I've done another video explaining everything to do with lists, so please check that out. But if we've created a list, we can then export our list. And in order to do that, we just go and hover over the particular list, go to More, and then as you can see here, we have the Export option. Press Export, and again, you'll have to walk through exactly what we've just been through. The properties that you'd like to add for this particular export. Press Next. And then as you can see, we go through everything again. So the file format and the language. And then again, it's sent to our email address and we are also able to download it. So if you press export, you can then click here to download. And that is how to export contact records out of your HubSpot CRM system. I hope this video has clearly explained how to export contact records from HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.